How do we make requests through Savinco? It's important to go to the meeting with information, so members should submit their requests. The idea is that everyone knows what's going to happen. There are 3 types of requests: purchase of shares, loan request, and request for advance payment of installments. There are 2 ways to do this: from the central button or from the assembly section under My Requests. Let's review each of them. You must always purchase shares. On the screen, you will see the date of your next meeting and the value of a share in your group. Simply enter the number of shares you will buy in the grey field, and you will automatically see their value in the white field. Save it, and you'll see the application in the assembly section. The loan application is submitted if you want credit. The group will decide whether to grant it or not. On the screen, you will see the date of your assembly and the maximum amount you can borrow according to the regulations. You must complete the loan, term, purpose, and purpose details fields. The interest rate and payment method fields are for informational purposes only. If other options apply, the advisor will update them later. From the calendar button, you can simulate the amortization schedule. Click Save to register it. The advance payment request is only possible if you have an active loan. On the screen, you will see your next payment due date and your active loan. Select the one you wish to advance. The payment calendar will appear with options to select the installments you want to advance. Select at least one more installment to make it an advance. In the white fields, you'll see the total of the selected installments. Remember that when you make advance payments, you don't pay more interest. It only increases the principal paid. In the My Requests section, you can see all your requests. You can edit or delete your requests at any time. Your requests are visible not only to you, but also to your entire group in the Estimates section under Next Meeting. Here you see the estimated shares, payments, loans, and the estimated balance. Each of these data points contributes to the planned amount. For example, in the Actions section, you see the total projected amount, which includes the savings requests already made by members in the app, plus the default minimum savings amount for each member. In the Payments section, the black rows represent advance requests. And if you want to see who has applied for credit, select the Loans indicator. It's that simple. Get Savinco app and control your finances.